How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I have just a very brief update here for you. An explanation for one of the worst things you can do in crypto right now. And it's actually worse than not being in crypto at all, even though I think crypto is going to explode over the coming years. And this is much worse in my mind than not being invested in crypto. Also, I want to take a minute to talk about one thing that you can do to take advantage of these people that are making this grave mistake. So I'm going to keep this really short, under 8 minutes. I just want to get this information to you because I know some people are thrown off by what's happening right now. If you guys don't mind hitting the like button and subscribe button, I really do appreciate that. So what is the thing that you should not be doing? Well, the main thing that you should not be doing, it's actually like a cardinal sin, is going on too much leverage. You can see that we saw this massive dip. I mean, we saw it fall down to what, 56,500? Just really quickly, like in 1 minute. We saw a dip, and then we saw it come right back up to 59,000. This is on Bitcoin's chart, and this is a whale game. I've been talking about this a lot recently, so I won't talk about it much here, but basically, people are getting liquidated. Someone dumps their money, then people that are on leverage get liquidated. So you've heard about people going on like 99x leverage. One way that you can take advantage of this, because you can see we came back up very strongly because everyone wants cheap Bitcoin. Under 60,000 is considered cheap. Everyone thinks that it's going up by the end of the year. So what can you do? Well, you can set limit orders so that you actually buy if it falls underneath 59,000, let's say, or 58,000. So you're sitting up here. Maybe you're not paying attention every single second to the cryptocurrency market, but you do want to be able to pick up the dip. Well, one thing you can do, like I said, set limit orders. A lot of these different exchanges don't have it, but I use Voyager for this, for my limit orders. And I've been setting it. I've been telling the Patreon members about it. And I've been setting limit orders on several different cryptocurrencies. A couple nights ago, I did get Bitcoin pretty low. These were very close to where I have limit orders set up. They didn't quite get triggered, but that's one way to make money in the future. So if someone else is on leverage and being stupid, and then they get liquidated, you get to buy up that dip. So if you guys want, you can check out the link underneath the video to Voyager so that you can start doing that. They also give you interest. Also, there's the link to the Patreon underneath the video too, but just keep in mind, Coinbase is the #1 app on the App Store right now, ahead of TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. So many people are checking out Coinbase, checking out these other exchanges. So many people want in on crypto, especially with Shiba Inu going crazy recently. It's bringing in a lot of new investors. I just did a video to all the new investors in cryptocurrency. So hopefully if you're a newer investor, check out that video. I'll put it on the end screen. Good for other people too that aren't new to the space, but just are trying to figure out the Shiba Inu hype. So I think that's still good for the entire market because look, so many people are trying to get into cryptocurrencies now. We have the whole market looking extremely bullish. If you just didn't look at the chart, you wouldn't even notice that Bitcoin took a dip because it's right back to where it was before. Ethereum is very close to all-time highs. I mean, we're talking about $100 here. We could see it by the end of the day. We could see it in the next hour. Solana also looking good. Polkadot. I did a video this morning talking about the cryptocurrencies I bought yesterday, and they are looking like screaming buys yesterday now that we moved up a little bit, right? So I'll put that on the end screen too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, just don't go on leverage if you're inexperienced, and even if you're experienced, just be careful. I think that's the greatest way to lose a lot of money very quickly. It's worse than even not investing, I think, because you can get liquidated and lose all your money. So instead of having your original amount, you have nothing. So just be careful on that. Also, you can check out the links underneath the video. Like I said, I think investing with Voyager so that you can put in those limit orders is useful for times like this. Now, let me know your thoughts on this down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.